Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track your lost Bluetooth speaker or headphone. So if you have lost your Bluetooth speaker or headphones, there are several steps that you can take to locate them. And through this video, I'm going to show you a practical guide to help you track your lost device. First, you can use your device's Bluetooth range. So Bluetooth devices typically operate within a range of 30 to 100 feet. And if your device is nearby, you can use your phone or computer to locate it. So the first one that you need to do is turning on your Bluetooth, and after you enable the Bluetooth on your phone or device and ensure that it is in pairing mode, you can scan for devices. So in here, scan for nearby devices. You can click on this. You can see this is the pair devices, and if your speaker or headphones appear in the list, they are within the range. So this is my headphone, so that means that my pair devices is near. And you can just move around or walk slowly in the area where you last used the device and keep an eye on the list of devices. So the closer you get, the stronger the signal. The second one, you can use the companion application. So some Bluetooth devices come with companion app that can help locate the device. You can just download the apps associated with your Bluetooth device and open the app and check if the device is connected or shows its last known location. So in this case, this is my companion application, the Sound Core. So you can just open yours and use any available Find My Device or proximity features provided by the application. And you can also check the last known location is if you've paired your device with your phone or computer recently. Some devices store the last known location. So for Android, my phone is Android, you can use the Find My Device application or Bluetooth scanning apps. And you can also just search in a common area. So re retrace your steps and search in places where the device might have fallen, such as car seat, bags or backpacks, or maybe in the couch. You can also use a Bluetooth scanner app, so you can download it on the Play Store or App Store. There are recommended apps that you can download it on the Play Store. You can use Bluetooth Finder if you are on iOS, or BLE Scanner if you are on iOS or Android. And for Android, you can also use the Bluetooth Signal Strength Finder. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.